This is Realme 12 I have in front of me, and in today's video I will show how you can insert or install a SIM card into this phone. So first, lock your screen, then take your Realme 12 out of its phone or protective case if it is in one, of course, to begin with. Then look at the very bottom of your phone, the bottom part of its frame, to the left of the charging interface, you'll find the SIM card tray. Now you're gonna have some kind of injection tool. Usually you get this one alongside the phone, so look inside the box it came in for a tool that resembles this one somewhat. Then, or you can, if you do not have any actual injection tools on your hands, you can use a needle, or the unfolded paper clip will do the job as well. As fine. Now put it inside this little hole here, push it in. Once your injection tool is all the way inside the phone, it will push the SIM card tray out. So now use your fingers to take it out. On it, you'll find two slots for two SIM cards, SIM 1 and SIM 2 respectively. So now just put your SIM card, make sure that it is aligned with the SIM card tray. The alignment point is this little, how do I put it, this little curvature probably, both on your SIM and at the SIM card tray, so align them together. Once your SIM card is all the way in its respective slot, simply return the SIM card slot back into the phone, like that. And that'll be it. Wait a few seconds for your SIM card to be initialized inside the phone, and the job is done. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.